Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, I'm a little bit under the weather, so that's probably why I sound or look like this, but I did want to make an intro. I'm about to kinky twist my hair with no weave added. But I wanted to tell you guys what I was going to be using on my hair because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to sit here the whole time and kinky twist my hair on camera. So the two things that I'm going to be using, since I don't have beeswax, I'm going to be using is Maurice, it says hairdressing pomade. So I'm going to be using this Maurice hairdressing pomade, which is kind of like beeswax for the root and then for the braided part of my hair. And then I'm going to be using my DIY hair cream, which is a whipped shea butter. It has water in it, so it's a properly formulated hair cream for my hair that I made, so I can get like some of the bulk back in my hair because I did blow dry my hair. I'm gonna have the full process on my channel for you guys to see, but these are the two products that I'm gonna be using. And then to finish off, I am gonna be using my DIY hair oil. And once again, I'm showing y'all like this because I don't want y'all to see what the bottle looks like because I haven't released my product yet, and you guys probably hear my son talking, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick what my hair is looking like. I still have them in the rubber bands. I'm gonna take each rubber band down one at a time, but I don't know if I want to start in the back or the front. I think I might start in the back. So I'm going to pull all of my hair up into a high ponytail. Mama. So I redid my nails. I use dip powder now because I know people have made comments on liking my nails, and I did before I had my son. I only used gel nail polish, but after having my son, I needed something a little bit more firmer. These are my real nails. That's how come this one's short, these ones are long because I accidentally broke that one. These ones are all short because I accidentally broke all of them on my right hand. So I literally got 4 long nails. But yeah, it's dip powder. I could probably do an updated nail routine, but I did redo my nails so that my hair doesn't get snagged by my nails. And that's what, yeah, that's like one of the main tips that I will have for anybody, is to make sure that your nails are not gonna snag your hair while you're trying to braid. So I'm gonna just take one section down at a time. My sister-in-law already sectioned out my hair for me, and I'm just gonna start in the back and then see how far I get, and then do maybe the front middle part on camera so you guys can see it. So yeah, I will be back so I can show you guys the front part. Okay guys, so I'm just going to explain what I'm doing really quick. I am rubbing the Maurice at the roots of my hair so my hair can lay a little flatter. So I'm going to braid about a half an inch of my hair down with the Maurice, and then I'm going to put my DIY water-based cream on my hair to help my hair expand and kind of fluff back up so the twisting part doesn't look so limp and noodle-ish. But my hair kind of looked noodle-ish on the ends just because of the two densities. But it's going to be a repeat. I just slide that rubber band that was holding the part. I put a little Maurice on my roots, not touching the scalp so that I don't have buildup. And then I take my DIY water-based product, rub that down the length of my hair, and then continue with twisting the rest of my hair. So this video is going to get very repetitive, and I'm going to speed through the rest of it. But I really appreciate you guys watching my video, supporting me through the hair loss, the hair shedding, the postpartum shedding, cheering me along. I really hope these videos and me documenting this for you guys is actually helping someone out there. Please leave comments down below if these tips are helping you. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching.